Welcome to the School of Computer Science at Carnegie Mellon University. This series of videos is intended to help new users at the School of Computer Science gain familiarity with the computing environment. This video will introduce you to the accounts and passwords you will encounter at SCS. When you join the SCS community, you are given an SCS user account in addition to the Andrew account you already have from CMU Computing Services. This account carries no cost, but must be sponsored by a full-time staff or faculty member of your department. Except in rare cases, your SCS username will be the same as your Andrew ID username, but will come with an additional SCS Kerberos password. This Kerberos password is used to log into some SCS services, while others use your standard CMU Andrew password. Your SCS Kerberos username and password combination is used to log into any website or service protected by SCS Web Authentication. It is also used to log into Linux machines in the SCS environment, as well as AFS-based storage. Your CMU Andrew ID login and password is used for services managed by campus, including your email, the wireless network, and VPN services. It is also used to authenticate to the SCS public printing system, and to log into SCS Windows-based machines and services, including logging into Windows computers on the Andrew domain and mapping Windows network drives. For new members of SCS, these two passwords should be the only ones you need. However, accounts created before the fall of 2018 may also have an SCS Windows domain password, which was previously required for some services. While we are slowly consolidating Windows-based resources to the new Andrew domain, you will still need to log in with this password if your Windows computer is on the SCS domain. Contact the SCS Help Desk if you are unsure how your machine is configured. It is always important to choose strong passwords. A common or weak password is a means by which any account can be broken into by an attacker. In particular, SCS Windows domain accounts are often the target of attempted break-ins. A strong password is one that is at least 8 characters long and includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Your password should be easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. It should not be a word that is found in the dictionary. One easy way to create a strong password that you won't have to write down is to come up with a passphrase. A passphrase is a sentence that you can remember, like, "My son Aiden is 3 years older than my daughter Anna." You can make a strong password by using the first letter of each word of the sentence. However, you can make this password even stronger by using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters that look like letters. This will result in a password that is very difficult to guess. It is a good idea to change your passwords on a regular basis. We recommend changing your passwords every 6 months. One way to remember to do this is to change your passwords seasonally, such as the beginning of spring and autumn. It might also be easy to remember to change your passwords at the start of every semester. Password changes for your SCS Kerberos password can be completed using the Online Instance Manager at webiso.cs.cmu.edu/instance. You will need to sign in using your main SCS Kerberos password. Once logged in, you will be able to change your Kerberos password as well as your SCS domain password if you have one. The Instance Manager may also display a number of additional legacy Kerberos instances. These are generally no longer used, and setting a password for them will have no effect. SCS Computing Facilities does not manage your campus Andrew ID, but you can change your Andrew ID password using CMU Identity Services at identity.andrew.cmu.edu. Log in using your current Andrew ID credentials and enter a new password meeting the listed requirements. If you have forgotten your Andrew ID password, click the Forgot Password link on the login screen and follow the links to the self-service password reset utility. If you have forgotten your SCS password or need assistance with an SCS password change, feel free to visit the SCS Help Desk in person. Please remember to bring valid photo ID for any SCS password changes. If you are unable to see us in person, call or send us an email and we will coordinate a time to meet with you via video chat to verify your identity and complete the password change. To watch other videos in this introduction to SCS computing facilities, click the playlist link on screen or in the video description to view the entire series. We recommend that you bookmark the playlist page rather than any individual video, as we may update or replace individual videos as they become outdated.